Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the top 10 things to consider when choosing an AI website builder. It can be a really daunting task because there's loads of different options available and each of them have their own strengths and weaknesses. So here are top 10 things to help you consider when making your decision. Afterwards, we'll also look at some of the popular AI website builders out there and do a kind of compare. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to consider is the ease of use. AI website builders should be easy to use, even for those with no prior experience in web design. The interface should be intuitive and drag and drop, and there should be plenty of tutorials and help resources available. Next up is design options. So the AI website builders should offer a variety of design templates and customizations. Not only should you be able to choose a template that matches your brand, you should be able to customize it as well, and customize things like the colors, the fonts, and the layout of the website so you can really make it your own. The website builder that you choose should also offer the features that you need to create a functional and professional website. These things can include e-commerce capabilities, blog functionalities, and social media integration. So you really need to sit down and think about what features you actually need and then narrow down your choices by seeing what's actually offered by each individual AI website builder, because not every AI website builder will offer everything. The website builder that you choose should be easy to scale as your business grows. So you should be able to add new pages, new products, new features without having to switch to a new platform. The AI website builder should also offer good customer support, and this can be things like live chat, email, and a knowledge base. You also need to check out the pricing. So what would be good is once you've narrowed down what builders you want, take a look at the pricing. They should be priced competitively, and you should be able to find a plan that fits your budget. And most importantly, the AI capabilities. So you should find an AI website builder that offers really powerful AI capabilities. And these are things like AI-powered design assistance or AI-powered content generation and AI-powered marketing tools as well. Later in this video, we'll go over some AI website builders that do offer quite a lot of AI-powered tools to help you with your website project. The AI website builder should also integrate with other tools you use, such as email marketing, platform, and your CRM system. And the AI website builder should integrate with other tools that you use, such as your email marketing platform and CRM system. And lastly, reputation. So the AI website builder should have a good reputation. You should read reviews and testimonials from other users before making a decision. Some additional factors you also want to consider when choosing an AI website builder is like your target audience. So like, who are you trying to reach with your website? What are their needs and expectations? What do you want to achieve with your website? And are you trying to generate leads, sell products, or just simply provide information? And how comfortable are you with technology? Even if you're not very tech savvy, you may need to choose an AI website builder that's easier to use. So once you have considered all of these factors, you can start to narrow down your options and choose the AI website builder that is right for you. So now let's take a look at some of the popular AI website builders out there and compare them as well. So the first AI website builder we're going to talk about is the Wix ADI. So the Wix ADI is a revolutionary AI-powered tool that creates a website without writing a single line of code. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your website's needs and preferences, and then it generates a custom website design content based on your input. Some key features of Wix ADI include a simple and intuitive setup. So Wix ADI will kind of guide you through a step-by-step process to gather information about your website goals, target audience, and brand identity. The Wix ADI also uses machine learning to create a unique website that matches your brand and style. It also generates relevant content such as text, images, and videos to populate your website. Once the initial design is generated, you can easily customize it using Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. You have complete control over the layout, colors, fonts, and other design elements. Wix ADI ensures that your website looks really good and functions seamlessly across all devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Overall, Wix ADI is a powerful tool that empowers anyone to create a professional-looking website and user-friendly website without the hassle of traditional website building. The AI-powered design and content generation, coupled with the intuitive drag-and-drop interface, make it a compelling option for individuals and businesses of all sizes. The next AI website builder I'm going to talk about is Jimdo. So Jimdo is a really popular website builder known for its ease of use and user-friendly interface. It has embraced AI to enhance its platform and simplify website creation even further. Jimdo's integration of AI brings several benefits to users, including automated design, smart suggestions and recommendations, enhanced design flexibility, and AI-powered content generation. So Jimdo's AI capabilities extend beyond design to assist with content creation. The platform can generate relevant text, images, and video suggestions based on the website's theme, industry, and it saves users a lot of time and effort. Overall, Jimdo's integration of AI has transformed the website building experience, making it more accessible, efficient, and enjoyable for users of all skill levels. AI has empowered Jimdo to stand out in the competitive website builder market, catering to a broader audience and simplifying the process of creating professional websites. In essence, AI has become an integral part of Jimdo's DNA, seamlessly blending in with the platform's user-friendly approach to provide a truly intuitive and empowering website creation experience. The last platform we're going to look at today is Framer AI. So Framer AI is a leading platform for creating interactive user interfaces, and it has introduced AI capabilities to revolutionize website creation. By leveraging the power of machine learning, Framer AI empowers users to generate websites from simple text descriptions. Some key features of Framer AI include AI-powered website generation. So you can create a complete website based on natural language description given by the user. This eliminates the need for coding or design experience. Framer AI can generate interactive website experience elements such as animations, transitions, and dynamic data visualization, enhancing the user experience. And Framer AI offers a variety of customizable templates to provide a starting point for website creation as well. And you also get real-time preview, so users can preview their website designs in real time, making it really easy to visualize and redefine their creations as well. And lastly, for those who prefer more control, Framer AI does allow you to export their website code for further customization. The integration of AI has transformed Framer AI from a mere website builder into a powerful tool that empowers users to create interactive and engaging websites with ease. AI has revolutionized the website creation landscape, making it more accessible, creative, and efficient than ever before. So one of the first things that we're going to compare is ease of use. So how easy is it to use each of these web platforms? We'll look at getting started with these platforms and then editing the website content. So starting off with Wix, I would say Wix is the easiest of the three platforms to use because it has a very simple, intuitive setup process, and the AI-generated web designs are really high quality. The drag and drop interface makes it really easy to customize your website, and the text, images, and video suggestions can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's take a look at getting started with Wix. So we're just going to create a simple Wix website using the Wix editor. And from the get-go, you're using the AI to generate your website. You do have the option to set up without AI. We're just going to use the AI chat to get started with our website. So as mentioned before, Wix will allow you to generate a whole website based on text descriptions that you give, but it will give you prompts basically to write about so that it has an idea of what to generate. So the first thing that it's going to ask for is, what do you want to call your site? So you just want to give it an answer. You do have options at the bottom. You have options to rephrase the question if you don't understand. If you click help me answer, it'll give you some suggestions on how to answer the question. And if you want to skip the question entirely, you can just click skip question. Or if you change your mind about using the AI, you can just end chat and continue. So so first of all, what do you want to call the site? And then you just want to write in your answer. And you'll see on the right, it'll generate a site profile where it kind of makes a note of what kind of site this is and be able to create a site with the most relevant content. So the next thing it's going to ask you is to tell the ADI a little bit more about your business. What types of services and products do you offer? And you just want to type in the answer, and it will allow you to move on to the next question. And next thing it's going to ask you is your target audience. And then you want to give more information about where the business is located. And you can see as we're adding more information, the site's profile is also being added as well. You can go back to these answers and edit them, and you can also take a look at what's actually being generated by the website. So you can see it's got site type, some apps that it's included, goals and things like that. And we'll just skip this question for now. And you just want to keep on going answering the questions. And again, if you need help with the question, you can always rephrase it. You can also ask for suggestions, or you can skip questions entirely. So once you've answered all those questions and once you're happy with the answers, Wix will then generate your dashboard, and it will install all the apps that you need, and then it will also generate your website. So you can see we've got our website started off here. We've essentially got a full website that was created in a matter of minutes. No coding and no design knowledge required. We just picked some of the homepage layouts and the different pages on it, and it's essentially created a whole website, which is quite easy. Now, when it comes to editing this website, again, it's not going to take any kind of coding knowledge or background to create a new page or a new section. So for example, Wix have all these pre-designed sections. So if you click on add section in between these two sections here, you can see that we can actually add new sections that are already pre-designed. So there's like different types of sections if you want an about section, a team section, a contact section, etc. You can also add a blank section, and this will add a completely blank section that we can populate with elements, or we can use the AI creator, and we can basically ask the ADI to create the layout for us. It just depends on what we add to it. So for example, we've got site information already here. In the section type, I want to create a team section. And you just want to create the section, make sure you add in, type in at least what it is that you want added in that section, and it'll put together that layout for you. And again, I've not used any kind of coding or any kind of design like background knowledge or anything like that. I've just typed in exactly what I wanted, and it's going to start generating a section for me. And you can see there's 3 different sections. It comes back, and then you can just pick between these 3. If you're not happy with it, you can go back and maybe update the text. But for now, if you're happy with it, you just want to click on the section that you like, and you can just drag it onto where you want it. So it's just simply added this section, and it's added it, and I really like this section actually. And all I need to do is go in and just edit the content that's on it. Speaking of editing content, again, really simple to just add different elements and widgets onto the page and edit them. So for example, this paragraph here, if I wanted to edit it, I just need to click into the actual paragraph and click on edit text and just edit the actual text content, but I can also edit the styling as well, font sizing, formatting, things like that. And if I click on the plus button up here, you can see there's a few elements here, and I can just click and drag those on as well. So for example, if I wanted to add a button, I can just click on the button that I want. I'm going to use one of the themed buttons, and I'm just going to click on and drag it on to where I want it, and you can see the button is here, and all I need to do is change the text and then choose where to link it to. I'm going to link it to the contact page, and that's it. That's really easy to do. All I need to do is just click and drag to where I want it. And the good thing about this template is that it's also mobile responsive as well, so there's not a lot of work that needs to be done. You just need to go in, change the colors if you need to, and update all the content that's on it, and it's really easy to update content. I just need to click on it and edit the content. So yeah, that's how you would set up and edit with the Wix ADI. Next one is Jimdo. Jimdo is also really easy to use. The setup process is simple and easy to follow, and the AI generated designs are of good quality as well. Similar to Wix, it also has an drag and drop interface that's really easy to use, and the additional templates can provide a bit more flexibility than the Wix ADI. So let's take a look. So creating a site with Jimdo is free. You just need to create a username or like a user account. And then you just want to create a new website. So we are going to create a website without any code. And it's going to work similar to how Wix works, where it asks you a few questions and then it brings out another website for you. So who are you creating a website for? And just what the websites are for anyway. I just want to go through and add all of the content and all of the questions that is asked for. And again, similar to Wix, it takes all of these answers and creates a dashboard and a website that's suited to your business. If you come across a question that doesn't apply to you, or if you come across something that you want to skip, you can just skip the step. And it'll ask you some opinions on color as well. It will then give you the option of two layouts, and you can sort of see a brief of what they look like, and you just select one from each of them. And if you're not sure, you can always just click surprise me, it'll pick one for you. At the end of the day, like with Wix, you can always update everything about it. You just want to have a starting off point so that you're not starting with a blank slate. So we are going to go with this one for now, and just click continue and just wait for Jimdo to create our website for us. And here we go. So we have our website, and you can see it's a fully designed website, loads some placeholder content on it, but relative placeholder content on it. We've got pages set up. The only thing that we need to do now is go in and update the content. And again, so if we click on, for example, certain sections, we can update the content on it. If we click on like this section, for example, we can update the text. We can do things like add favicons, and we can update the header as well. It's really easy to just kind of go in and see how you want to do things. If you click on add block, it allows us to add sections and allows us to add pre-designed sections as well, and we can also decide like what kind of colorway we want to use. You can see there's different types of colorways, and if we like the type of blocks that there are, all we need to do is just click on the block that we prefer, and then it just adds itself really easily, and all we need to do is add the content as well. So there's lots of things that we can do with it. If we click into design, we can again update the color palette. So these are the color palettes that we were given, but if you have your own color palette that you want to use or edit one of the colors, you can do that. And then the same with the font set, you can change that as well. So it's got some global stylings in there as well. So overall, editing really easy to do, and we can preview and we can publish as well. Now let's talk about Framer AI. So Framer AI is slightly more complex to use than Wix ADI and Jimdo, but it's still user-friendly. Setup process is slightly more involved, but the AI generated designs are really impressive, and it has the drag and drop interface to make it easy to use, and the templates provide a good starting point for more complex designs. So similar with Wix and what we've seen with Jimdo as well, Framer will use prompts and answers from the user to create a website. And all we need to do is continue with our email and sign up for an account, and then continue with setting up our website. So right now it's just generating some of our pages. And you can see some of the designs that it comes up with is quite advanced, and they're quite modern as well. So in terms of editing our content, we can insert different layouts, and we can insert different sections as well. There's pre-designed sections and everything like that we can just click and drag onto. When it comes to actually editing though, you can see it's a little bit more complex. So when I click on an element on the right, it shows me quite a lot of advanced styling techniques, which is great if you want really advanced customizations, but if you're a beginner and you're just starting out, it can make it a bit difficult. You can get a bit overwhelmed with the content. But overall, I would say the templates and the designs it comes up with is probably the most modern out of the three, but it has a steeper learning curve than the other two offer as well. So here's an overall kind of summary of the ease of use of these website builders. In terms of the setup process, all of them, they're quite simple to follow. Framer AI is slightly more complex but still user-friendly. In terms of design and layout, all of them have AI generated design, and they all have drag and drop customizations. I will say though, with Framer AI, while it's still drag and drop, it's still quite a little bit, you might get overwhelmed with the amount of customization options that there are. If you do have a background in design or development, it might be okay, but if you're starting off, then I would recommend maybe Jimdo or Wix ADI instead. Overall, both of them, or all three of them, are easy to use, but I would say Framer AI has the steeper learning curve out of all of them, and may require more technical knowledge if you want to do more complex designs. So now let's look at cost. This is just some various costing for each of them as of right now. Always make sure to check out for yourself what the costs look like. But with Wix ADI, it starts at $7.50 a month. So let's take a closer look at that. So you can see the cheapest it goes for $7.50, and then it can go quite expensive all the way to $119. But again, it just depends on how many features that you need. If you are looking to do more of a basic brochure website, $7.50 might be enough. However, if you're wanting to do an e-commerce website, then you'll need one of these three, as the light plan doesn't include e-commerce capabilities, whereas core plan has some basic e-commerce, the business plan has standard e-commerce, and business elite has a bit more advanced e-commerce. If you click on compare plan features here, you can see exactly what you get with each of them and be able to pick one that fits kind of your needs a little bit more. Then you've got Jimdo pricing, again quite affordable. It can start as low as £9 a month, and it'll go all the way up to £39 a month as well. And again, if you scroll down, you can see a little bit more about what you actually get within each of them. But it's another affordable sort of AI website builder, and it does also have a free plan as well. And the wide variety of paid plans make it easy to pick a plan that kind of suits a lot of people. The free plan, while it is free, it has limited customization options, and the paid plan starts at about £9 a month, and offers even more features like more storage, unlimited bandwidth, and access to Jimdo's premium templates and design tools. And now let's talk about Framer. Framer probably might be the more expensive plan of the three platforms. It's between Framer and Wix, but it also offers the most features. The paid plans start about £8 a month, and they go all the way up to £25. Now they do have an annual discount, so if you were to pay annually, the plans are a lot cheaper. But the paid plans offer a variety of features like unlimited bandwidth, unlimited storage, access to premium templates, design tools, and advanced content creation capabilities. So it's up to you kind of how you want to choose. You can see that is exactly what you get with each of them. So yeah, out of all of them, Wix and Jimdo, they do offer the most varied plans. The best will depend on your individual needs and your budget. If you're on a tight budget, maybe the Wix and Jimdo might be a better option. But if you don't mind more features and you don't mind paying a bit more, Framer AI is a good choice. They all have a free plan, so you can test out the builder for free and see which one works well for you. And their starting off plans are quite cheap as well, with Wix at being £7.50, Jimdo £9, and Framer AI £8 a month. So yeah, you just want to have a think about your budget and what features that you actually need. So SEO is another really important factor to consider whenever you are using one of these builders. With Wix, the Wix ADI offers really basic features, and it allows you to optimize your website's title tags, meta descriptions, and image alt text. It also offers built-in SEO tools called SEO Wiz, which walks you through how to optimize your website for search engines. And this tool provides suggestions for keywords to use and how to structure your content and how to build backlinks. Jimdo offers a bit more advanced features than Wix, including structured data markup, keyword optimization, and things like that. So structured data markup is a way of marking up your website's content so that search engines can understand it better and easier. And then keyword optimization will just help you use relevant keywords throughout your website's content. Jimdo also offers a built-in SEO tool called SEO Dashboard, and it provides you with insights into your SEO's web's performance. Out of all of them though, Framer AI is probably the most advanced. It includes features like custom sitemaps, robot text files, and canonical URLs. Framer AI does not offer any built-in SEO tools, but it can be integrated with third-party SEO tools as well. So that's kind of the difference between this one. Wix and Jimdo, their SEO tools are all built in with the CMS and the dashboard, but Framer AI tools don't have anything that's built in, but it's more like you integrate them with SEO tools as well. The best platform will depend on your individual SEO needs and your own expertise. If you are just starting out, Wix ADI is good for some basic SEO, Jimdo is good for some intermediate SEO, but if you want customized SEO capabilities, then Framer AI might be a better choice. Overall, all three platforms are good for SEO. It's up to you just basically how advanced of the features that you need. So now let's talk about the e-commerce capabilities of all of them. Wix ADI offers really basic e-commerce capabilities and the ability to add products to your website and process payments. Jimdo offers a little bit more because they have the option to set up a fully functional online store, same way Wix does. Framer AI, however, doesn't offer any built-in e-commerce capabilities, but it can be integrated with third-party e-commerce platforms. So it's not fully not an e-commerce platform, but you do need to integrate it with other existing third-party platforms for e-commerce. To install the e-commerce platform on Wix, it's really easy. You just need to go into the App Store. And you want to go into the Wix app market, and you just want to look for the Wix store. It should be here. You're looking for Wix stores, and you just want to click on Add to Site. So what this will do is it will create a new tab on your dashboard to help manage all your products, and it'll add some e-commerce capabilities like a cart, a checkout page, and payment processing options as well. So you can see Wix stores has been added. So what we're going to do now is save that, and then we're just going to go into the dashboard again. And you can see on our dashboard now we've got a new tab that says Store Products, and this is essentially our order management and product management section. So we can manage all of our products all over here. Our orders, we can manage all in the Orders tab, so it makes it really easy to manage your products and then add and edit products as well and make them available for customers to buy. It's important to note that once you have e-commerce and you plan on using e-commerce on your website, you need to pick a plan that will support the e-commerce capabilities that you want. As mentioned before, some of the plans are only basic e-commerce, one of the plans is standard and the other one is advanced, so you want to make sure that you choose the correct plan to fit the needs that you have. So overall, the e-commerce capabilities, Wix is quite advanced. You can add and manage products, including images, descriptions. You can offer a variety of shipping options. You can create and manage a bunch of discounts and coupons as well, and manage orders really easily on both Wix ADI and Jimdo. Framer AI can potentially offer all of that, but none of it's built in. You do have to integrate it with a third-party service, in which case I wouldn't recommend it if you are an e-commerce business, simply because it's so much easier to manage all of that in one dashboard, in one CMS. Ultimately, again, the best platform will depend on your individual needs, your preferences, and also your budget, because as mentioned before, some of the plans don't include e-commerce. So if you are looking for an easy to use e-commerce website, then Wix and Jimdo would be good. With Framer AI, it doesn't have the option of being built in, so it can make things a little bit more of a hassle. So how do you actually pick a plan that suits you? There are some factors that you want to consider when choosing between Wix, ADI, and Jimdo. All three platforms have their own strengths and weaknesses, so it's really important you consider your individual needs and preferences when making your decisions. You want to consider the ease of use. Wix ADI, I would say, is the easiest of the three platforms to use. It has a very simple and intuitive setup process, and it's also really easy to edit as well, and has lots of editing options. Jimdo and Framer AI are also easy to use. They just have a steeper learning curve, especially Framer AI. Wix offers a good level of design flexibility, and that drag and drop interface and a variety of templates are really hard to beat, especially because they're all mobile responsive as well. Jimdo also offers design flexibility than Wix does. It has completely customizable interfaces and vast libraries of templates and design elements. Framer AI, I would say, offers the most modern and advanced layouts, and they look really well, and there's loads of templates to choose from. However, it can be a bit overwhelming, the amount of options you have to edit, so something to keep in mind whenever you're picking between them. Wix ADI and Jimdo offer good e-commerce capabilities for small businesses. Framer AI does not have built-in e-commerce tools, but it can be integrated with third-party services. So it's up to you how much of a hassle that is. If you do like the other points of Framer AI, but you want e-commerce capabilities, you need to consider how hard or easy it is to integrate with other third-party e-commerce sections. Wix, ADI, and Jimdo and Framer all offer good SEO capabilities with tools and features to help you optimize your website. And in terms of cost, I would say Wix ADI is the most affordable, with a free plan and paid plans that start at $7.50 a month. Jimdo is also relatively affordable. Framer AI would be the most expensive, but they all have free plans. That makes it really easy to kind of use the free plan in the beginning. While it is limited, you can get used to using the platform and making whatever edits you can, and then from that deciding which plan you actually want to stick to and actually pay for. Once you've considered these factors, you can narrow down your options and choose the platform that best suits your needs. Some additional tips I would say is to try out the free platforms of all three platforms. This is a great way to get a feel for each platform and see if it's good for you. Read reviews of each platform as well. This can help you get an idea of what other users have experienced with each platform, and contact the customer support of each platform as well, and this can help you ask questions and get more information about each platform. And that's it for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information and topics about the digital landscape. If you have any questions, leave them in the section below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.